The good, the bad, the Philippines.
Well, hello folks, Rick Baker here. Thought I'd give you a quick update on our house build in central Luzon. I am in Cuyopo, Nueva Eciji. If you're familiar with that, with the T-Plex, we are, let's see, you go past Tarlac, you go past Victoria exit and Panicky and Pura, and then you get to the Anao exit and hang a right and you are on your way to Cuyopo. So beautiful day. Came here, actually came to bring some Marianda to the work crew, but nobody here today, so looks like I'll be eating a lot of cookies on the way home. Let me show you the house. They've made a little bit of progress since we last videoed about a week ago. Looks like they've gotten all the way up to the top ceiling beam, if you will. They pour a beam across the top of the hollow blocks, and so this is the side that faces the street. And as you can see, they're still working on pouring concrete here for this street. Should be pretty nice when they get it done. I don't know that you'll notice a lot of changes from when I filmed last, but I noticed quite a few things. This topper here was not, none of this was poured. None of those hollow blocks were there. Still nothing done over here by the carport. Inside they've got, there looks like they've just poured the top beam for this north wall. And down here they've got these interior walls. They were not here last time, I don't believe, not completely. So those have been completed, and still haven't started on this interior CR that separates these two bedrooms, and they haven't begun on any of this interior walls for the master bedroom. Also, there's quite a bit coming back here in the way of dirt, fill, and then swimming pool and deck, and they also still have a pretty large pump room to build back over in this area behind the kitchen. So, not a great deal of change. Some, but hopefully in the next couple of weeks we'll see quite a bit of change here. They did a lot more filling. None of this was filled in. None of this had fill dirt when we were here last. So they brought all that in. They've also filled in the master bedroom. That wasn't done last time I was here. So not a lot of noticeable things that you would probably notice, but I do, I guess, because I was just here a week ago, and several changes since then. So all right, this is just a quick update. Just wanted to kind of show you where we were at the end of week 6, I believe it is, or the start of week 7. All right, I'll let you go. Have a great day. You gonna be okay?
Hello guys! Here with me is Uncle Remy. Of course, my husband. And my son. We are here at Argamosa Farm.